Epigenetics refers to the study of changes in gene expression or cellular phenotype that do not involve alterations to the underlying DNA sequence. It explores how various factors can modify gene activity and influence the way genes are turned on or off, leading to changes in an organism's traits and characteristics. The central idea in epigenetics is that although the DNA sequence itself remains unchanged throughout an individual's life, the chemical modifications or marks on the DNA and associated proteins can be altered in response to environmental cues or developmental signals. These modifications can determine whether a particular gene is active or inactive, thereby influencing gene expression and ultimately impacting an organism's phenotype. The primary mechanisms of epigenetic regulation include DNA methylation, histone modification, and non-coding RNA molecules. DNA methylation involves the addition of a methyl group to the DNA molecule, typically resulting in gene silencing. Histone modification refers to the chemical alterations of proteins called histones, which help organize and compact DNA within the nucleus. These modifications can either promote or inhibit gene expression. Non-coding RNA molecules, such as microRNAs, play a role in regulating gene expression by binding to messenger RNA molecules and preventing their translation into proteins. Epigenetic modifications can be stable and heritable, meaning they can be passed down from one generation to another, or they can be reversible and dynamic, responding to changes in the environment or developmental stages. It is important to note that epigenetic modifications can be influenced by various factors, including nutrition, stress, exposure to toxins, and lifestyle choices. They have been implicated in a wide range of biological processes and diseases, including development, aging, cancer, neurological disorders, and cardiovascular diseases. Epigenetics has provided valuable insights into the mechanisms underlying gene regulation and has expanded our understanding of how genes interact with the environment to shape an individual's traits and health outcomes. It holds great promise for potential applications in personalized medicine, disease prevention, and therapeutic interventions. However, it is still an evolving field, and further research is needed to fully unravel the complexities of epigenetic processes and their implications.